To set up voice prompt on the recorder, with our recorder turned on, we'll come to the bottom left. Click on Setup. And from Setup, we'll go to Alarm. In Alarm, we'll scroll down to Voice Prompts. Now in File Management, we have the option of adding an audio file we've probably recorded on our phone and saved in the correct file format. If you want to do that, we can easily just click on Import. And with the external device connected, we'll see it here. Select the file you want, click on OK, and it will be added. Now, if you see here under Voice Prompts, this is a file I added earlier on, which is why the file is shown here. Once you're done doing that, if you know the cameras where you want the voice prompts to be activated, you go to those cameras in Loop Management and select them. Let's say I want it activated for all the cameras. I'll select all the cameras and click on Apply. Now, I am not adding the already added voice prompts here because if I do that, it's just going to keep on playing continuously on all the cameras for this time period, the time that I set. Now, let's say we want the voice prompts to be activated for motion on channels 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, depending on the ones you selected. We just scroll right. Or you can use the bar down below to move towards the right end. You will see the last menu is Voice Prompts. Click on the gear icon. Click on the camera we want that voice prompt to be played from when it's detected. Choose the voice prompt and choose the time duration you want. This is set from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Click on Apply. Now, when there's any motion on that camera within that time frame, the voice prompt is going to be played. Let's say, for example, you have a swimming pool in an apartment building, and people are not meant to be there from a particular time, say from 8 p.m. till 6 p.m. You can set the voice prompt for that time period, so whenever a motion is detected in that area, the message you want played will be played. Say, for example, the swimming pool is currently closed at this time. Same thing can be done for AI. For AI, we first need to go to the setup. Say we want the voice prompt to be played when a human or vehicle is detected on a particular channel. Let's say on channel 5, which is already activated. We go to Alarm and make sure that what you want is activated on that channel. When we go to Alarm, we'll go to the same feature, Human and Vehicle Detection. Go to channel 5. Using the slider bar, scroll to the extreme right as we did earlier on. And you're going to see Voice Prompt. Click the gear icon, and after that, select where you want the voice prompt. The camera you want the voice prompts played from, in our case, channel 5. Select the voice prompt that you want. Set the duration that you want and click on Apply. Now, when there is a human or vehicle detected in that region within that time frame, the voice prompt is going to be played. This is how to set voice prompts on the recorder.